Hello kids, so what are we going to learn today? Today we are going to identify the main argument and we are going to supporting the thing by evidences. How? So where are we going to collect these evidences? So let us read a lesson on this and let us find it and let us agree with it. Okay children? So today we are going to learn a lesson about the computer games. Okay? Are you ready?
Now let us go through our 11th block lesson. Are video games a good form of entertainment? So our argument is about video games, already we discussed. So in the argument there will be two cases, one is for and one is against. So we want to follow that and we want to check the options. Now coming to genre, what is this? It is a persuasive essay, means the opinion. Persuasive means an opinion, or see, normally when some our parents, if they are not interested in us, so we try to persuade them. So if you want a cycle, we persuade them saying some words like, mom, no, I will do this, I will do that, I will get a good marks, can you please give me cycle. So in this way we persuade them. So this is a persuasive essay, which means that they are trying to tell some information to change our minds to do something regarding video games, what children must do, what children must not do. Basing on this, they are giving us a guidance. So you can see the keywords there which we can read. Now let us move to page number 57 and let us read the lesson. So here are some characters. Rahul and Megha are neighbors. Every day after school, Rahul would tell Megha about the latest video or computer game he was playing. Megha would listen to him, but she was not really interested because she preferred to play football. Now, what are the characters here? We can see Rahul and Megha. There are two characters, Rahul and Megha. They are the neighbors. And every day, what does Rahul do? So, Rahul, he tells to Megha about the latest video or computer games. Now, so by this, we can guess that Rahul likes video games. But what about Megha? Does she like video games? No, here we can observe that Megha would listen to him, but she was not really interested. Why? What is the reason she is not interested? Because she preferred to play football. She likes to play football. When she likes to play football, why will she concentrate on the computer or video games? Yes, so when Rahul was saying about the video games and the latest video games, she never paid interest for that and she thought to prefer football rather than the computer and video games. So let us see what happened next. Today Rahul had received a new football video game. Now Megha was really interested. Rahul invited her over to play with some of his other friends. Although Megha got only a few chances to play, she enjoyed herself. See, previously we observed that Megha didn't show interest because she doesn't like the computer or video games. But now she got a chance to play football using the video games. Now she is showing interest. So now when Rahul said that he got a new collection of video games where he can get the football. So football can be played by using video game. So when Rahul invited, she went and she enjoyed, she played with other friends. But though she got very few chances, she enjoyed because she liked to play football. So though it might be with computer or the other. Now let us move to the page number 58. So can you see there what they are doing? Yes. Now however, she remained unconvinced that playing football on a video game was a good form of entertainment. She decided to do some research on video games. So is she convinced? So this is opposite. Using the prefix convinced, unconvinced means she's not at all interested. She's not at all interested in playing the football using the video game. She remained unconvinced. Why? Because she thinks that it's not a good form of entertainment. So for entertainment, when do we get entertainment? When we have interest in that, then we think that we have entertainment. But when we don't have interest playing football using a computer game, how come she show interest? And she decided to do some research. What is the meaning of research? Research is nothing but to collect the information, maybe in any way, maybe asking some others, by Googling, by own experience. Anyway, if research means to find about something, to collect the information. So she decided to do some research on the video games. Now, a researcher called Bevelier studied how video games affect our brain and body. He found that playing video games can actually improve vision. It helped people find small objects hidden among other objects. People who played video games were also better able to move their hands and fingers to move the objects. Okay, so researcher named Bevelier. So there is a researcher, his name is Bevelier. He studied how video games affect on our brain. So what is the meaning of affect? We have the words like affect and effect. Effect is usually a verb and it means a change. So what change it is bringing on the brain. And effect, it is the result of the change. Effect is the result of the change and effect is the change which we are expecting. So maybe on the brain, what change it is going to get and what change it is going to get on the body. So he found that playing video games actually improves vision. So is he saying for or against? So it is for, means it is the one opinion which is supporting about video games. So improving vision. So how? So people, the children will keenly observe the video game. So they will be able to find each and everything which is there on that. So they will improve their vision of finding the things which are really hidden somewhere or something. So keen observation they will improve. And it also help people find small objects hidden among other objects. And also people who played video games were also better able to move their hands and fingers because they use mostly their fingers to move very fast the remote and everything. So they will be able to use their hands and fingers better to move the objects. So you can see down in the picture, we can see the children were playing with the toys and everything. So really enjoying with the toys is better when we think about the computer games. Now let us see page number 59. In addition, Bevelier found that people who played video games were better able to multitask. While most people can only keep track of 3 objects around them, video gamers can keep track of 6 to 7 objects. They were also better at doing more than one thing at the same time. So if you observe here, the researcher Bevelier told that when we observe the video games, they will become the multitaskers, means they will be able to deal with many things at a time. So most of them, if they are operating or if they are having a track or if they are able to do only 3 objects, means 3 things if they can deal at a time, the people who play the video games, they can have a track and they can use 6 to 7 objects so that they can do well and they can use them in better way than the other who are not observing the video games. Now let us see what about the other. Another researcher, Jicherman, thinks that video games can actually help children become better problem solvers. So here one more researcher is there. His name is Jicherman. He also says means he is also supporting the video games, telling that the children will become better problem solvers. So here we have many things here. What they are saying for means supporting. They are saying that it can improve the vision and it can also make them to use their hands and fingers better. They can become multitask using many things and doing many things at a time. And also they are saying that they will become, the children, those who are playing the video games, they can become better problem solvers. Children, so while reading this lesson, try to underline the hard words which you think you cannot and try to find the synonyms. You also go on researching to find the synonyms of some words which you really doesn't know. Okay, so now we can say that playing video games can help the children. They can become problem solvers. Whenever they get a problem, they try to solve, but they don't run back saying that we are in problem, we cannot do that. Means we can say they will become brave and bold to hold the things, to tackle with the things which are going on around them. Now let us move to the page number 60. So can you see there what they are doing? Yes. On the other hand, Megha found out that there were also some bad consequences to playing video games. One scientific study found that violent video games could teach wrong values to children. According to this study, children who played violent video games are more likely to think that violence and bad language is okay. The American Psychological Association found that video games could harm concentration too. So these we can say they are against the video games, means they are not supporting the video games. So some researchers, they had found that there are some bad consequences, means results. So because of using these video games, some bad results also there. When they go with violent games, so we have now violent games where children are playing and they were banned also. Such video games, if they go on observing those video games, the mindsets of the children may change. So they may develop the wrong values, they may become violent, they may fight with their friends. Can you see there in the picture they are fighting? So it says that it's okay, we can fight, we can be violent, because the video game itself is making them to learn the violent things, how to fight, how to do. So such things, when the children were continuously observing, it changes their mindset. So they think that it's okay, we can do that. And we can observe that the American Psychological Association, they found that even it harms the concentration, because every time the concentration will be only on the video games. If they like, they'll be going on observation that. Now they won't observe the other things and they won't be able to concentrate on other things. So mostly they will be concentrating only on the video games. So their concentration levels on other things may damage. So they might not concentrate on other things and they will get these things. Only the computer games they think is really, and they will be saying that it's okay if we go violent. Now children who become addicted to video games may have fewer friends because they only play games by themselves. They sometimes stop doing their homework and get behind in school. So even children get addicted to the video games. So mostly they like to play video games, they concentrate on video games and they never concentrate on other things. Even they don't play with their friends, they don't do their homework, they get behind in their studies. So really which affects their mind and even their regular activities. Now let us move to the next page, page number 61. Children who play too many video games do not get enough exercise either. Research shows that all this problem can even cause depression in children. So these are against, that is not supporting the video game. So here we can find that children, those who play more, they won't exercise because always they sit in the room, they will be playing the video game. So if they go outside and they play in the ground, then we get exercise to our body. But most of the time if they spend indoors, they won't get even vitamin D and also no exercise. So because of that, the bones may not get strength. Even the children may feel weak, and always sitting inside, even the weather, whatever is there, the air, it doesn't support them to be active. So researchers show that all these problems can cause the depression in children. So depression is that way where they find themselves weak and mentally they won't be any time strong. Okay, after her research, Megha realized that there were facts that supported both sides of the issue. She had still not formed an opinion. Oh well, she thought, I will figure it out after playing some football. So what is Megha thinking now? So she came to know that there are some things which are supporting the video games, or there are some effects, some are there which are not supporting. But basically when we argue about the video games, so mostly playing outdoor games is better than sitting with the video games and playing. But still, using less time for video games and more times with the other exercises and other games which are outdoor and which help us to improve our mental ability just by playing outdoor, because mentally we will become strong. Yes, even the air which is pure, where we can get pure air, so it's better to play outdoor. So now let us see how Mega thinks, and basing on that, let us write our volume on both these arguments. So argument and evidence, if we come to the first one, take the supporting evidence for the argument. There is an argument given there, you want to read it, and among A, B, C, which one is supporting it? Supporting argument means which is saying good about the thing, the given sentence, according to the given sentence, which is supporting it. Now second one, write two pieces of supporting evidence for the argument. There is an argument that playing video games is bad for us. So you want to support it just by writing two sentences on video games, how it is bad. Now third one, do you think playing video games is good for us? Write your argument with supporting evidence. So now you observe both the things, for and against, supporting and unsupporting evidences. Basing on that, your opinion you want to write and complete it.